How to put picture in TikTok comment. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just follow these steps. Let's go ahead and open up TikTok. And once you do that, let me find a decent video so we can see how it's done. Say for example this one right here. Let's click on the comment icon so we can access the comment section. Now once you're here, there's one thing that you need to keep in mind is that as of right now TikTok only allow picture comments or photo comments as replies, meaning that you cannot comment a photo or picture directly right here as with other social media. So click on reply on any comment. Say for example this one right here. Once you do that, you will see that this section has popped up and it has a video icon that's in pink on the left of the screen. If you click on it, you will get to this page right here where you will be able uh, to comment with a picture or photo which you can um, take right here, or you can upload one from your mobile gallery, which what we will do right now. Let's click on it, and here you have the option to edit this picture as you want. And once you are done, click on next, and you will get to this page right here where you will be able to add anything as a comment or hashtag or mentions, anything like that. And make sure that your video is set to public so that everyone can see it. And once you're done, click on post at the bottom right to reply with this picture. And as soon as you do that, you will see that you have um, reply to this comment right here. If we went back to the previous video and we search for the replies, we will see that our picture comment or photo comment is right here, as you can see. So that was it for this video. That's how you can add a photo comment on TikTok. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. With that said, see you in the next video.